When I was starting out solo on a big ADV bike, there was a certain level of anxiety about getting caught out in a remote area, whether it be on steep loose hills or in a wet boggy valley. Being solo in areas without people or mobile reception, it's hard to commit to some routes when you get there to the steep hill or a long bog hole and see something that sets off your alarm bells and has you turning around. It's a defeating feeling, and when alone, turning around is probably your best bet. I've decided to put together this series to show the terrain, challenges and conditions of the trails at the time of publishing. A sort of guide to help other riders figure out whether they want to tackle a certain road or trail solo, and help alleviate some of the doubt involved with the mind's perception of the unknown, challenging their riding skills in new terrain on a big bike. At the end of the day, the safest way to attempt these routes is with a group, and always carrying some snacks, water, tools, first aid kit and some form of satellite communication on your person. There is no implied responsibility taken with this information. Motorcycling in any environment is a dangerous activity to be partaken in at your own risk. So sit back and enjoy as I show a particular dirt road or trail in its entirety that I've ridden lately. And I'll go through a short rundown at the end of the video pointing out conditions and challenges to look out for, rate each section on difficulty for myself as an average rider, and ultimately answer the question, is this route big bike friendly?
Ocean Creek Road is more like a fire trail than a road. You may encounter the occasional 4x4 whilst in this area. The surface is barely hard packed, with the odd soft patch of dirt and a few rocky marbles and plenty of leaf litter and sticks due to the infrequent use of this road. There can be several washouts and rock steps that get exposed after severe weather. The National Park seems to keep on top of the trails in this area, even though it doesn't have a very high demand for traffic. With a decent amount of maintenance, the roads are usually in pretty good condition. But this trail can deteriorate quickly with prolonged rain. The trail runs up a ridge line to intersect with 12 Mile Road and offers a safer alternative to turn right into when southbound on the highway, rather than attempting the dangerous intersection of 12 Mile Road and the Princess Highway. This is a fairly easy route and maybe a 1 to 1.5 out of 5 on the scale of the hardest places I've ridden, depending on the state of the upkeep after heavy rain. This trail is definitely big bike friendly for beginners if you take it at a steady pace and keep an eye out for large marbles and washouts. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.